Now to COVID-19. The state of California's indoor mask mandate requirement will expire tomorrow for some who are fully vaccinated. So who will be allowed to remove their mask? 23 ABC's Brianna Polk joins us now in studio with the breakdown of what this expiration means for our communities going forward. Brianna?
That's right, Brianna. Well, while the mask mandate will end for some vaccinated Californians, parents should still note that the state is looking to change the school mask guidance as well.
I know and hear and listen to the frustration from many California parents.
On February 28th, the state still needs to look at data and conditions for a potential change to the statewide school masking requirement.
In 2 weeks, confirming that the data continues to be where it is, taking the time to prepare and work with the school community and communities at large, that we anticipate making the change at that point.
Dr. Galley, Secretary of the California Health and Human Services, adds California has the most K-12 public school students in the country and yet have experienced far fewer school closures.
We have 12% of the students in the country here in California schools. And we have experienced less than 1% of school closures this year.
But the mask mandate doesn't end for everyone. Dr. Galley says a mask will still be required to enter healthcare, jails, prisons, and long-term care facilities, regardless of vaccination status, until the state determines safety factors.
Information on case rates confirm what I just showed you that we believe is going to happen, which are the case numbers will continue to come down, test positivity will come down, hospitalizations, both adult and pediatric, will come down, and we're watching vaccine rates.
California officials believe that the many factors that coincide with this virus will begin to slow down. They are confident that when they reassess this information again in 2 weeks, both case numbers for adults and children will have decreased. Live in studio, Brianna Polk, 23 ABC News, connecting you.
And staying on the topic of the pandemic, 23 ABC is taking an in-depth look at the latest COVID facts issued by the state's public health department. First, the daily average of cases is 23,715 with a test positivity rate of 6.2%. Next, the daily average of deaths stands at 163 or 0.4% per 100,000. As for hospitalizations, the latest number shows 8,189 patients, including 1,629 in the ICU. Lastly, the state's vaccination rate increasing to 82.6% this evening.